into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. This vest is equipped with a water-activated light, and the location and use of life vests for small children may be found in the safety information card. An additional life raft is located in the overhead bin. Location and instructions for use of this additional life raft may also be found in the safety information card. Also on the safety information card, you will find instructions for use of the escape lines. The escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while in the aircraft lane during water evacuation. They are located in marked overhead bins in the main cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with
Hey guys, so we're getting ready to go to Dr. Cave's beach today. Yesterday was crazy because we almost missed our flight. We were told that we couldn't get on the flight along with a lot of other people, but by the grace of God, we got to go. They said the plane was having issues, so they allowed us to, they waited for us. The plane literally waited for us. And when we got here, we went to Brae rafting, which you'll see soon. But so far, I love it here.
Say.
So quick you tell me say in our bag.
Yes. My first time in Jamaica too.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's so beautiful, huh? Look at all the trees. Look at the water. Hold mommy's hand. Hold my hand. You gotta hold my hand, baby. Say cheese. Hold my hand. You gotta, that's as far as you can go, okay? You're a brave girl. You gonna come sit next to mommy? Is it so beautiful? Where are we? Are we in Jamaica? It's ready. Careful. You gonna go all the way down the raft? I say. Careful, baby. Careful with your feet. Putting water on mommy's feet. Tell the world how you're feeling. Is that how you really feel? Yesterday we went to Brae river rafting. I had to drive. Okay, so when I got here I got a rental car and I didn't know how to drive on the left-hand side of the road, but I still had to drive to, I think it's 45 minutes away. It was pretty nerve-wracking, but so I wouldn't recommend that. I wouldn't recommend driving here because if you're from America, driving on the left-hand side of the road it's like backwards. Everything is backwards and it can get confusing. Like if you drive on the right-hand side of the road, you're bound to get hit, of course, definitely. So yeah, and the roads are very narrow and everyone drives fast, but at the same time everyone's very nice here, so living life right now? Yeah? Say, say. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? You cleaning your shoes?
Let's get ready to rumble!
Got this really awesome hand-carved souvenir at Martha Brae's river rafting. It has Chavez and Kylie on the side. That's my boyfriend's name. That's the daughter's name. And then Serenity and Princess, me and my daughter. And it was probably, I think it was like 2,000 something in Jamaican dollars, which, don't quote me on this, I think that's like 20 something dollars, $20, less than $20. Okay, so here's the backyard. Nice little details. It's definitely a vibe. Definitely a vibe. I don't know what that is. That's pretty cool. Walk over here. Here's the car. Steering wheel is on the right side, so I drive on the left-hand side of the road. There's the gate. And the beautiful view. yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time my boyfriend will be in the vlog, and just make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and come back next week for the next video.
Listen, that's what they are trying to get now. To find out what time the flight will come here tomorrow for you to go home. At this current time, I'm asking you please for your patience.
So my question is, go ahead. Go ahead.
I have a question.
You're all impatient here. You're going
Go ahead and finish talking, man.
Okay. In regards to your COVID test, if it is a one-day test for you that you take today, it will still be valid for tomorrow.
What we took it yesterday.
If it's a one-day test that you take,